Hello.
Uphill is done.
Yes.
There now.
Very, very tired.
Asphalt. To the finish line.
Finish line. 5 kilometers to go.
Water, water.
Ano?
No, no. Pocari sweat again.
Pocari sweat.
No.
That's Pocari sweat.
Water.
You love Pocari sweat. River. Video the river.
There, the fish pond.
Oo, isa pa nga sa river.
It's a fish pond. They are the walking buddies.
We are walking buddies. Hello, walking buddies.
Say hi.
Yeah, walking buddies.
Walking buddies. Yes.
Yes.
Finally.
Diba? Pocari sweat. Sa
Me and-
sponsor.
Me and my running buddy alone.
Yes. Ayun, takbo tayo, takbo. Takbo, takbo.